Hey there, welcome to today's tutorial. If you've ever wanted to showcase multiple business locations, event spots, or important places on your Wix website using Google Maps, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to add multiple pins to a Google map in Wix, making it super easy for your visitors to see and navigate all your key locations. Whether you're running a chain of stores, highlighting favorite restaurants, or showing off venues for an upcoming event, this skill is perfect for creating a professional, user-friendly site. All right, let's dive right in. First, head over to your Wix web design dashboard. You'll need to be on the editor for the site where you want the map to appear. Once you're there, take a moment to let everything load. Sometimes the editor can be a bit slow, and that's perfectly normal. Now, look for the search bar at the top of your Wix editor. This is super useful because Wix has so many features, and searching can save you tons of time. Type Google Map into the search bar. As you type, Wix will suggest different options and widgets related to maps. You're looking for the official Google Maps element, which might pop up under App Market or under Add Elements, depending on your site setup. Selecting the right map template is important because different templates offer various customization options, like marker styles and layout choices. For now, let's pick a simple, clean map template that allows you to showcase multiple locations clearly. Once you've added the map to your page, look for the button or option that says Manage Locations. This is the feature that lets you control which addresses or points are shown on your map. Click that to enter the Location Management panel. Here's where the real magic happens. Normally, a map starts off with just one default location marker, but we want to highlight several places. Within the Manage Locations menu, you'll see the option to select multiple locations. Go ahead and click that. This tells Wix you want your map to have more than one pin, so if you have a list of addresses handy, you're all set. Now, start adding your locations. For each spot, you'll usually enter the address, and you can often add a title or short description, like main office or downtown store, or even fun places like coffee stop or event hall. It's a good idea to double-check each address just to make sure the map pins land at the correct spot. If you're not sure about an address, sometimes entering a business name works as well. After you've entered all your desired locations, click the Add Location button. Wix will add each spot to your map, and you'll start to see multiple pins appearing instantly. Don't worry if you need to adjust something. Wix makes it easy to edit or remove pins if you notice a typo or need to make a change. Once that's done, click Preview to see how your map will look live on the site. Take your time here. Previewing your work is an important step, since you want to make sure everything displays correctly and looks great for your visitors. Now, to really check that all your locations are visible and nothing's hidden off the edge, go ahead and minimize or zoom out on the map. You should see all your pins spread out, making your site more informative and engaging. And that's it. Your Google Map on Wix now shows multiple locations, making it easier for your visitors to find exactly what they need. If you got stuck at any point or have questions about customizing those pins, just drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help. Don't forget to hit that like button if this tutorial saved you time, and subscribe for more practical Wix and web design tips. See you in the next video.